Hi there, this is Aya Murakami for another video. Now my video today is about my orchid collection. Basically I have 4 orchid only, but I know it cannot some I know you cannot consider that as a collection, but for me that's my collection. It's only 4. It's all dendrobium. I mean five. The My collection is this one. Still have another one to bloom. It's dendrobium, which was in the dendrobium family. This one is the other one. This one is the violet one, the super violet, or the dendrobium phalaenopsis. This one is dendrobium, a pure one. I don't know if this is a hybrid because it has a very fragrant one. This one has a very nice fragrant. Maybe I can consider it smells like a sakura. This one, not much as a scent, but at least it's a little bit of fragrance. This one is the biggest variety that I have. Not the flower, but the cane are huge, over a foot long. This one is a very small one, new pinky, which will have bloom soon. This one, the yellow variety, Atlea and Dendrobium variety. And this one is, I don't know if it's a natural breed, but I don't know the specific breed. This is the newest in my collection. Just got it a while ago. I got this because of its fragrance, but the same price. Quite nice. And still have one bloom, which means I can still keep this for a long time with the fragrance. So nice. And another kinky over it's here. So this is my orchid collection. This I can consider this as unknown first. Okay, the unknown dendrobium, Cattleya dendrobium, Dendrobium phalaenopsis, 3 and 1 uh, orchid, Dendrobium, Cattleya, and phalaenopsis. Okay, but in this I might be thinking this also another Dendrobium phalaenopsis variety because of its large wide leaves similar to this. Yeah. This one's just look. This one looks like a symphedium, but it's a dwarf cane. Okay, this is my collection. Please like, subscribe, and I think I wouldn't show you the other one because it's not bloom and it's quite small. Okay, this is my collection. Thank you for watching. But wait, before I go, just look at the flower of this. This one, yellow. This one is violet one, and the only fragrant. I mean the only one that has a lot of fragrance in it in my collection. My mother gave this to me anyway. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and any comment. Thank you.